Hey, nice hat, Bob.
It's Getting High with Bob and Mickey, and I'm Kurt Pond.
What have you done with Bob?
I'm filling in for Bob, as three of us can help make America great again.
Oh, I don't know about this. Where's Bob?
Mickey, let's talk about those thunderstorms. These thunderstorms are happening because God, the American God, is mad because all these liberals are just doing dumb, and dumber stuff.
You sure it's not because of global warming?
Oh my goodness, Mickey. Don't tell me at this point you believe in global warming.